Hello and welcome to class. Alright, so one of my students sent me a message. She wanted me to get or design a particular work. Alright, so here's a message. She wants me to create a tutorial like this, how this is achieved. Okay, so the first thing I did was to go. I wanted to ask her where she got it, but there's a way to get it. You go to your Google Photos like this. Right, go to your Google Photos, then click on lens. With lens, you'll be able to search where this picture is coming from. So you can use Google Lens to search for the originality of any picture. You will see wherever it is used on the internet. So I saw it here on a search query, 34 Nigeria bride ideas, blah blah blah. If you click on it, it's a search, and inside that search, this guy came up as an option. So I'm going to click and I will visit. Look at it, Nigeria bride. Now this one also came up as an option. So this is the original designer. This is not the original designer actually. This guy got the idea from somebody else. I'm going to show you now. Nasara Graphics. He got the idea from this guy here. Where are you? Devon. He must have. We have worked with Devon Graphics before. So I'm going to show you where he got it from. So I'm going to click on this now. Click on this lens here, and you will see Devon Graphics will come up. This is where it got the original design. This is the original design. Okay, from Devon Graphic. Right, it's from here that guy was able to come up with something. So I want to show you how that particular design, this one, was achieved. So we're going to go to Pixellab. Alright, so this is it, right? The size is this. Alright, take note. Now I'm going to remove everything and then I'm going to start afresh again. Now notice that. So let's remove everything. Let's click here. Let's click here. Alright, so in the first design there is a shape like a grumpy paper. All right, so I'm going to just brighten it a little. Sorry, let's just brighten it a little. All right, and fill it here. Okay, now let's go back to our design. Now in this design you will find out that there is a cycle, and inside the cycle there are people bring different images meshed together. Now there's a cycle, right? Okay, how do we get that cycle? The cycle is just a circle. Now I'm going to come over here and I will get the circle. This is the circle. Alright, let's change the color of the circle. Let's make it red. Alright, and let's centralize it at the middle. Alright, so we can even bring the original design in so that we can not miss what we're doing. So let me bring this in. So just increase it like this. Alright, so send it to the back, then send this one to the back too. So it means I can increase this more like this. Alright, okay, now I'm going to mesh two things together. One, I'm going to mesh this. I'm going to mesh this and this. Let's see, let's merge them together and see the result. If you merge them together you will get this shape. Right, now let's remove this color. I don't want the color, this color. Let's remove it. So let's click on erase color and let's remove it. Red. Are you seeing that now? I've removed the red color. Then I will now have to increase this a little and the rough edges also. Now we've gotten the templates. All right, take note of what I just did, then lock it. Sorry, go over here and lock this. All right, then how do we get the middle? That middle guy, we can get it here. I have it already. This is it. So I would send it so that you can download it. So just change it to white or increase the brightness like this. You can see that there. So just put it here like this. Now, how do we get the images? All those images that we see at the back, they are just blend of different images. Okay, how do we do that? We just come over here. Let's get some of the images. Okay, so this is one of them. Now notice that all the images, they are black and white, so ensure that you reduce like this. Okay, then increase this contrast a little. I think it's okay. Just do this. Let's just do this. Then so put one here. All right, then we'll come again. Okay, let me put this. Let's crop this. Okay, so let's crop this like this. Alright, so I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna put it here. Alright, then I'm going to send it to the back, but before I send it to the back, let me arrange it at the front first. So I'm going to bring this guy is this spraying guy. I'm going to bring it and I'll put it, let's say, here. Alright, then I'm going to come over here and I will do this, reduce this. Alright, the same thing I will do for the other ones. So let's try this. Okay, let's bring this here. Okay, let's put it here. Reduce this. Okay, then let's bring the last one. Okay, let's use this now. Okay, so I'm going to put it here and I'm going to reduce this. So I'm done with all this picture arrangement, blah 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 blah. Alright, so all I'm going to do now is to bring these to the front, and then I'll bring these to the front. You see that now? Can you see that now? So it's looking, mine is looking so dark compared to the original design. So I'm going to merge all of them together like this. So come to the front now. Once I merge this together, all right. So don't worry, just come over here. Eat this contrast. Take this up like this, and then we'll bring it again. This to the front, and this to the front. You see that now? There's a lighting effect underneath. That lighting effect, let's get it. I'll share this particular lens flare all over my channel a lot of times. So just bring it there. Just do this. So do this. Alright. Still need to make it right. Alright, I see that now. Then I'm going to bring it. Okay, just leave it like that. Then copy it at the strategic places you want that effect to come up. So I'm reading it here again. Let's put it here. So when you are done, just bring this guy to the front again. Alright, so see, we're done with that. Then the next is going to be Prayer and Praise Festival. Alright, so the font I'm going to use here is Go Bold. You can use any font you want to use. I'm using Prayer and Praise Festival. So I'm using this font. What am I doing? So I'll go over here. So I'm going to do this. Right, so check, there is orange and yellow. So how do I get that? So I'm going to use this one here. So click on this, click on color, go here, click on this, click on this. One of them should be this and the other should be that. All right, okay, so centralize it. You can just increase it a little. All right, so festival, right? So we can use a script form for that one. All right, so just come over here, we get a script font. I believe the other information, they are not so very difficult, so let's get a script font. No, let's use this or this. I think this is okay. So we change the color to black. You can make it bold. All right, see that now. Then we can check here. You see that there are lines around here. All right, so by the way, we can bring the logo, the church logo here, and reduce it here. All right, so the name of the church is Glory Chapel Assemblies of God Church, blah blah blah. So let's go Glory Chapel Assemblies of God Church, blah blah blah. I hope Glory. Don't forget to like this video and share Assemblies of God Church. Alright, so and the other information that are there. You can add that by yourself. Alright, so let me use this. Let's put it there. Alright, so the next thing I want to do is to get this guy here, bring it out. Just bring this guy out. Alright, you can fix it there like this. Alright, then copy it. Okay, there's one here. Okay, the one here is going to be green, so just go to Hue and then make it like this. Alright, so let's see, we have another orange here, so just do it to your taste. Alright, we can copy this, or can replicate it here. Alright, so look at this, we have some shapes around where we have this information. That is very easy. So if you have gotten to this level, that means you're already done with the design. So the other one is just the shape. You can do that very quickly. So I'm just going to do one of it and I will fast forward to the others. So let's use this color here. Okay, we'll just adjust it like this. Okay, adjust it like this. Okay, like this. So let's check, we have other two. We'll copy this. Okay, like this. I'll put this one here. Let's move this one to the top. Let's put this one here. Alright, so very easy. You add all these details just the way it is in the original design. Alright, don't forget to like this video and share it with a friend. One person you share this video with is going to really make a lot of meaning to them, and I'm going to really appreciate you for that. So go ahead and like the video and share it. Alright, so you can see that it's not so difficult. Alright, in another video I'm going to show you how I'm able to get all the resources that I want for any design. I search them out from the internet. Alright, so look at this, look at the original design here, and look at this particular one. You can see that we're able to get the concept. Okay, so if I wanted to move this, that means I have to adjust everything. I can adjust this guy's face. Alright, so what I mean is this, I can adjust this, I can adjust this. You see that? Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. My name is Niamuda, and I will see you in another tutorial. Let me know if you got value from this tutorial.